What is all about Google Local Guide? What are its advantages? For suppose, all of a sudden, you got to go to a new place, to get your work done and you don't have anyone in that city. What is the first thing you will do? You open Google Maps greater than find out the address greater than check directions to that place and details like timings greater than get your work done. For suppose, you have an exam and you don't know where the exam center is and how it will be. What you will do? You will open Google Maps greater than check out your center greater than save the directions greater than reach your center in right time. For suppose, you want to take your girlfriend on a date and you decided to take her to a good restaurant or any other place. Maybe you need some cozy place. What you will do? You will open Google Maps greater than check out the nearby restaurants greater than see the reviews, menu greater than check out the photos greater than if needed you reserve a table by dialing the number given in the description. For suppose you want to go to a new theater, new park, new coffee shop or you want to find petrol filling stations nearby, and this list goes on, the first thing we will get in our mind is Google Maps. Did you ever think like, who did all those work? Who uploaded all those photos of the places? Who wrote the reviews? Who said the place is cozy or not and whether it is suitable for couples to meet or not? Yes. These works are done by local guides. It's a voluntary program, launched by Google to add information to maps and edit the information which is already present and is wrong. Every local guide does this work, out of passion and interest. No one pays for the work and neither we get recognition. Coming to the advantages, by this, the local businesses which are not very aware to people will get some attention and many will get to know about them. It actually increases the business of people. For this, they provide some perks like gift cards, coupons, some special privileges to local guides, depending on the quality of the work. Local guides can even report a bug and suggest an improvement directly to the developers and make some changes to maps. Apart from these, there are no special advantages being a local guide. Google Maps allows every user to contribute their content, describe their experience by providing reviews and insights with answers, sharing photographs, updating information with place edits, add missing places, or verify information by checking facts. It's all possible by tapping the Your Contributions option in the left slider menu. Once you start contributing as a local guide, Google rewards you with points and some cool benefits. Those points lead to higher levels of the program. You get early access to Google features and special perks from partners. At level 4, you also unlock your first Local Guides badge, which helps your contributions to places get noticed. Get recognized with a Google Guides exclusive badge beside your profile on Google. You become eligible to be part of exclusive Google groups, Hangouts, and contests meant especially for Google Guides. Get an early access to new Google products and features. Build your community of Google Guides and connect with them anytime. You can also plan a meetup at your location by organizing an event and post it to the Google Events calendar. Recently, I got something special from Google. A free trial access to the Google One. Yes. A 6-month subscription to 100 GB storage and other benefits. And the best part is more free storage. Yes. What are you waiting for? Contribute, get recognized and enjoy the perks being a Google local guide. Happy guiding. Edit 1. I got my hotel perks. You can get yours too, smiley face. Edit 2. I have just got my travel perks. Redbus X local guides. Edit 3. Also, previously with the Google Local Guides program, there were perks of 1 TB of free storage on Google Drive. Edit 4. Just received the coolest reward as local guide socks. Google has found a way to boost user contributions for the Google Maps by introducing the Google Local Guide program. Users who review, add photos, answer questions or add unverified locations are rewarded with guide points. These contributors can improve their levels and rankings among the Google Local Guide community simply by posting this information. Each level also allows the user to qualify for different events and activities within the local guide community. Creating and optimizing a Google My Business profile is crucial to the success of any business, particularly local businesses with brick-and-mortar locations. With Google Local Guide, businesses can benefit from crowd-sourced material, like photos and reviews, for their profile and ultimately improve their bottom line. Points, levels, and badging. Local Guides points earn points by contributing content to Google Maps. Score a place with ratings. Describe your experience with reviews. Share photographs and videos. Provide insights with answers. Respond to questions about a place. Update information with Place Edit. Add missing place, or verify information by checking facts. I have been working very casually at building my Google Local Guide status. I like to try new places and activities frequently, but it is hard to stay diligent when building this status as you mostly earn 1 point at a time. The most attractive advantage this Google feature offers is that you can turn on location tracking, so Local Guide will recommend leaving reviews for places you have been. I assume this includes locations you stay at for a duration of time, as anyone walking down the street would have way too many options, which doesn't happen. There are 5 ways to earn points to grow your Google Guide status, and each action earns you 1 point, so it can take some time to reach those higher levels. The 5 actions include: submit a review, upload a photo, add a new location, fix an error on an existing location, answer a question. The Google interface makes a lot of this easy. It doesn't take long to build up points. Google will list places you have been recently, notify you to answer questions about different places you have been, and encourage you to post photos of the spots they review. Advantages. Currently there are no perks rolled out. Perks given just to encourage us along the way as a local guide. You earn points for sharing reviews, photos, and knowledge on Google Maps. Those points lead to higher levels of the program, as well as benefits like early access to Google features and special perks from partners. Perks and benefits for the Local Guides program are always changing. Benefits like invites to special events are made available to our high-quality and actively contributing local guides. Local Guides also enjoy early access to new product features as well as occasional perks from some of our partners and benefits from Google. There is no financial compensation from being a local guide, as this is an at-will program that you are free to contribute to at your own leisure. To make sure you are in the know on future updates, please ensure your email settings are set to receive updates on perks and news and product updates.